Hello and welcome to video 8 of our database video series. This video we're going to look at the last of the Nat5 skills that we need to learn, and that is creating labels. So occasionally comes up where you're asked to create labels. Labels are often used for shipping, so if you've got customer name, address, etc., you could be asked to put them in label form. So you make sure you've got the table or query highlighted that you want to put into label form. I'm just going to pick the band table here. You'll then go create labels. It takes you to this labels page where you select the label layout that you want. So you can pick whether you want it to be, it says English but or metric. It says short or continuous. Just stick with continuous in this particular one. And then if you had a manufacturer that named you would pick it here, but that's not likely to come up. So we're going to pick 3 across. And then we'll go to the next page where it lets you pick the font type, it lets you pick the font weight, things like that. That all looks fine at the moment. Again, that could be edited later. And then it takes you to your prototype label where you add things in. So we're going to add in our band name, and then you want to press enter if you want to go to the next round where we'll put our town name in, and then the last row I'm going to put our contact number in. If you were short on spacing your label, you could put the town, postcode, things like that all on the one row, but we're going to space them out this time. So we'll go next, and it asks you how you want to sort your labels. Do you want to do them in a particular way? The task will often ask you to sort it in one of the fields. We're going to sort it by band name. I'm just going to leave it named as that, and I'm going to leave it so that we can see what the labels will look like when they're printed. So we click finish here, you'll see it comes up, and they're all laid out nice and neatly and spread as if we were going to print them out, and then put them on stickers and put them on packages. Now, these can be edited in the same way, so you'll notice that it looks very similar. When you're printing these, you need to add your footer in at the bottom. Again, use your label, so I'll put mine's in, Mr. Young. We'll come back to the print preview. Now this is just a layout view, so they're all on a line, but make sure you select the print preview option when you're seeing how they'll be laid out. Okay, you want to just make sure that they all fit on, that none of the names are wrapped underneath, that everything's clear, and if it is, that you would then print it and make sure your name's in the footer so that your name appears in the printout. And that is all there is to making labels.